The best drone, JCZK 300C PRO 470L DFC, 6-channel Scale RC helicopter, RTF, 1 key return, GPS hover with AT9S PRO transmitter. Hi, welcome my friend. The 300C Scale RC helicopter is a super simulation process. The whole machine adopts 6S power package, 1150 watt motor, Platinum 60A V4 ESC, all metal high voltage steering gear. It can fly at a fixed point using the fixed point mode. You only need to control the direction. Accurate hovering with GPS positioning. When using the fixed point mode, both hands can be separated from the remote control. The aircraft will automatically hover at a fixed point without offset, and real fixed point, fixed height, no bumping. 1 key return. Pull the F switch. The aircraft will automatically plan the nearest route and return to the top of the takeoff location with basically zero distance error. Low voltage automatic return to home. The flight control automatically returns to home after detecting low pressure. The process is the same as the 1 key return. It's very good to prevent the explosion caused by low voltage power failure. Signal interruption and return home. No signal interruption under normal circumstances. But if there is an accident, directly turn off the power of the remote control and the aircraft will automatically press one button to return to the home. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification button. Thank you.